I bet you didn't know your roof could become your personal power plant. Let's talk solar. Imagine a life powered by the sun, right here in sunny San Marcos. Tired of rising energy costs? Solar panels can slash your monthly bills, putting money back in your pocket. And when the power goes out, don't stress. Solar batteries provide reliable backup power, ensuring peace of mind for you and your family. Just picture it, family movie night, uninterrupted, all thanks to the sun. Spend less time worrying about energy bills and more time enjoying life with your loved ones. Solar makes it possible. Join the growing number of San Marcos residents embracing a sustainable future. With San Marcos Solar Solutions, you're not just installing panels, you're investing in your wallet, your community, and the planet. Our experts handle everything from design to installation, making the process seamless and stress-free. Learn more today at 858-123-4567 or visit www.sanmarcosolarsolutions.com. Ready to switch to solar and save big? Let's get started.